I would love to just hear your views since we've been talking about it all yesterday and even all morning already. How would you play the Microsoft Activision deal? Would you?
I think it's a great deal for Microsoft. I think that they are expanding in gaming and metaverse, and these are the areas where you see secular growth. And remember, they bought Minecraft a while back. That was actually Satya Nadella's first deal. This is actually his largest deal in this space. And so they're expanding upon it. And I think they're taking advantage of the price decline in Activision. And we know that Microsoft has tons of cash. So I think that they're actually acting very prudently, and they're expanding. Now, I think people were expecting Microsoft to get into security and make a security deal sometime this year. That may still happen, but for now, they're going a little bit different, and I think that's why people were taken a little bit off guard.
Do you want to own, though, Activision at $82.50, which is where we are right now? $95 is where this thing will close if the deal closes. There's the combination of, do you want to sit in the stock in cash for that period, and what's the regulatory bet?
No, I mean, I don't think you do. I mean, I think you have a long time to wait, right? Unless you're in arbitrage and you can play that, but that's not my game. I'd rather focus on the fundamentals. I actually think I do not own Microsoft, but I actually like what they're doing. If this stock comes down, Andrew, into this pullback in the market in general, that's the way I think you want to play it, because you got many ways to win with that company, and it's just the valuation that holds me back. So I'd rather play the Microsoft side. Again, on a pullback.
Talking about pullbacks, I'm looking at Moderna. There's another pull. I mean, that had a big move just yesterday, down about 8.5%. Would you touch that? I mean, what are you looking at this morning, right now?
No, I mean, I think right now we've got to just kind of sit back and see and look a little bit more on the inflation data. I think that's what's going on, though, in the market. Everyone's a little spooked by inflation because we got so much of it last week with CPI, PPI, et cetera. We know wages are going up, rents are going up, and food, everything is going up, Andrew. And that's the reason why the Fed has to act. Are they behind the curve or not? You can make an argument that they are. Are they going to do 3 times in terms of rate increases or 4? I don't think it matters one way or the other in terms of the economy, but they have to act, and they have to act more quickly. This is the reason why rates are going up so high. That's the thing I'm watching. I'm watching inflation. I'm watching interest rates. Interest rates have gone from 134 in the 10-year to 188 this morning in 6 weeks' time. And you know that the market doesn't like surprises. And this is kind of a surprise because it's happened so quickly. So those are the things that I'm watching. We have earnings season. I love this United Healthcare. If it's down, I would buy more. Absolutely. I'm overweight the banks. You know that. I think Goldman was a total overreaction yesterday. I don't own it. I own Morgan Stanley. We'll see what they say. But I'm more inclined to be buying some of these more cyclical, more of these reopen names versus trying to catch Moderna or Activision. That's harder to gauge.